Yes, here we are.
Winsome, was this really necessary?
You're behaving as if this was my idea. It was the marriage counselor who suggested that a second honeymoon might be what we needed to save our marriage. I'm assuming, of course, that you would like to save our marriage.
Did we have to come back to this dump?
Where we spent our honeymoon 2 years ago. That was his suggestion also. He said he thought the memories might help. Well, what do we do now?
I don't know about you, but I am going to read a book.
Should I take a shower?
For what?
Hello, boss. I hope I'm not disturbing anything private. Who are you? Oliver. Who are you?
How you got in here?
Well, no. Climb up on the step then, and then I make a left turn at the end of the passage.
Don't be an idiot.
Don't make too much noise. Keep your voice down. Guess in other rooms.
That door was locked with the key.
I'm BME. Master Keys. Come through any door. How you get in here?
I resent that question. I am a paying guest here.
When you check in?
Half an hour ago.
Name?
I don't see how that is any business of yours. Who are you anyway?
Building maintenance engineer. Come to fix the shower. I hear there is a leak.
Wait, there's somebody in there. Don't go in there.
Stop that!
Somebody in there.
Who you say you was? The building lunatic?
Michael? Was that you?
Yes, it was me there.
Is who?
My wife.
Lovely lady.
Michael! Who are you talking to out there?
It's the janitor.
Building maintenance engineer.
Look, will you get out of here so we can have some privacy?
Am I intervening with your privacy?
You just barged in on my wife in the bathroom.
They make you never tell me say somebody was in there.
So you thought I rented the honeymoon suite to spend the weekend all by myself?
Why not? When I come in through that door there, you was having a hell of a time. All by yourself.
And you're going to tell me that you didn't hear the shower running?
Yes, but I thought it was the leaking pipe. This room is strange, you know. Them say it haunted.
Haunted?
Yes. You're like them not start go off and on yet.
What?
A cheap, you're cheap. What you expect is $20 a night? Eh? Jack Easy? A Jack Easy you want? A nice woman like that deserve a place with a better class. And why would anybody want to take them wife to a place like this on a weekend?
We honeymooned here 2 years ago. Our marriage is on the rocks. Our counselor thought spending a second honeymoon might help us get things back on even keel.
Nice story. I think you should try and get it published.
Look, I don't give a heck what you think. Will you get out of here so that my wife and I can have the privacy we paid for?
I am not the boss on here, you know. I only take instructions. I don't give them.
Good. Well, you'll have to leave.
Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute here. I don't take instructions from any and anybody. Only management. Excuse me.
Couldn't you come back at a more convenient time? We just got here. We haven't settled yet.
Look, I leave work at 5. Tomorrow is Saturday. I don't work Saturday and Sunday. They don't pay overtime here, you know. Mean. Them complain that when a light bulb blow, instead of me trying to fix it, me go buy a new one. Monday is my day off, and Tuesday I have to go to family court.
Look, I really wish I had
The
time.
imperative point is that if I don't fix the bathroom now, the water will keep running chock till Wednesday. And you know how water rate is expensive these days. And furthermore, man, you and your wife wouldn't be comfortable just listening to the water dripping for the whole weekend. You know, your face look very familiar to me, you know.
How long is this going to take you?
Your guess is as good as mine. Maybe better.
Michael, what's he doing here?
He's here to work on the shower.
I'm Olivius Adams, but you can call me Oliver.
Hey. What's this?
Oh, that used to be a closet, but it's not working anymore. Somebody break a key into the lock. I'm the BME here for 10 years. Used to be a janitor. Well, that post redundant. Now I'm BME, Building Maintenance Engineer, in charge of toilets and other things. You saw about 40 toilets here before Hurricane Charlie blew down Blackbee. Now we have 20. You know about Hurricane Charlie at 51, man?
How could she? Will you just fix the bathroom and get out?
You know about Hurricane Charlie, though?
I wasn't born in 51. I'm only 27.
True. That must have been 27 rough years.
Will you just fix the bathroom and get out?
Lend me a screwdriver then, boss.
Where on earth would I get a screwdriver?
How you mean? Any little average hardware store sell them.
You're a bloody handyman, not me.
Engineer. Building maintenance engineer.
Good. So you should travel with the appropriate tools to do your work.
Well, it will only take another extra hours.
Wait! Wait. Will a knife help you?
Give me now. Me now we try it.
Look, Winsome, make we go home now.
That's the trouble with you. You're ready to give up before you even start.
I saw him stare.
You keep out of it. God, I don't know how I get myself in this. Here! Now hurry up and get out of here.
You know, somehow I just can't place your face. But it will soon come.
I wonder what these lines mean.
Somebody must have been playing dominoes.
Oh?
What's that?
What?
Didn't you hear something in the closet?
No.
You saw me through in there?
In another couple of hours.
What?
A joke. Me finish.
Last.
No one know where I remember you from.
Fantastic. Now just go, please.
All right.